Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best wooden discs is probably one of the most versatile crafting materials you can find. These simple, yet elegant wooden discs with holes open up a world of creative possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, these discs are perfect for a variety of projects, from personalized ornaments and rustic home decor to unique jewelry and educational activities for kids. Number 5. Fuyit Wood Slices 3.5 to 4 inches Craft Kit. These wood circles are made of natural wood with barks. They are approximately 3.5 to 4 inches in diameter and 0.35 to 0.39 inches thick. The natural wood slices may have bark that falls off, but the wood itself won't easily crack. Each wood slice has been carefully selected, naturally dried, and then sanded. The surface is smooth and safe for both adults and children to use for DIY projects. The wood slices come with a pre-drilled hole and twine. You can easily write, paint, stain, and letter on them to create personalized and creative ornaments for sale or decoration. They are great for any DIY craft projects. You can use them for hand painting, pyrography, photo transfer, Christmas hanging ornaments, holiday decorations, and wedding decorations. We are committed to putting customers first and ensuring quality. If you have any issues with the product, please contact us, and we will resolve them promptly. What we like. This product's natural wood with barks gives a rustic, authentic feel to your crafts. The pre-sanded and polished surface makes it safe and easy to work with, perfect for both adults and children. If you're looking for a product that brings a touch of nature to your DIY projects, this is the one for you. What people say. The wooden discs are perfect for crafting. The holes are the perfect size for the project I am working on. They are smooth and easy to paint. Number 4. TICIOSH Wood Slices 50 PCS 2.4 to 2.8 inches. These wood circles from TICIOSH are made of natural pine wood with barks. They are perfect for various DIY projects. The surface is smooth, ready for your creativity. Compared with ordinary wood slices, this product uses advanced techniques. The moisture ratio is scientifically controlled to prevent drying or cracking. This ensures the product's durability. Each log slice has a pre-drilled hole for easy hanging. The package also includes jute twine and cotton rope. This makes it simple to display your creations. You can write, sculpt, or paint on the smooth surface of these wood slices. The pre-drilled hole allows for easy hanging. It's perfect for all your crafting needs. These wood slices are ideal for hand painting, pyrography, and more. Use them for coasters, photo props, or decorations. They are perfect for weddings, parties, and festive occasions. What we like. This product uses advanced techniques to prevent cracking. It comes with a drilled hole and free string for easy hanging. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-use product for your decorations, this is a great choice. What people say. They were perfect for what I needed them for. No cracks in any of them. The look is a good wood grain and it is a good craft product. You can use it with kids and you can also burn the edges for a burnt wood look. Works great with a laser engraver for customized grandchild name Christmas ornaments. Number 3. PartyTalk 3 Wooden Discs for Crafts. Introducing these versatile wooden discs. They are perfect for all your crafting needs. This set includes 30 blank wood circles, ready for your artistic touch. Made from high-quality natural wood, each disc is laser cut and polished. Both sides are sanded smooth, making it easy to paint or decorate. Whether it's Christmas, a wedding, or a birthday, these discs add a special touch. They make beautiful ornaments, gift tags, or decorations for any event. Let your imagination run wild with these discs. They're ideal for painting, writing, or adding embellishments. The possibilities for DIY projects are endless. Each wooden slice has a pre-drilled hole for easy hanging. Simply thread with string or ribbon to create a rustic look. It's simple and fun to use. What we like. This product includes jute twines, making it ready to hang right away. Made from premium quality natural wood, it's perfect for Christmas and other special occasions. If you like a product that's ready to go and adds a rustic touch to your decorations, consider this. What people say. The wood rounds are smooth and the holes are clean. They are the perfect size for ornaments. These are great for crafting. Number 2. Juvale 6-inch unfinished wood boards. These Juvale wood boards are perfect for all your crafting needs. They provide a versatile surface for various projects, allowing you to bring your creative visions to life. Use them for wood burning, engraving, or painting. The smooth surface makes it easy to customize them with paint, glitter, or other embellishments. These wooden circles are ideal for creating personalized items. You can design unique hanging signs or create custom coasters for your home. Each wood piece measures 6 inches in diameter and 0.1 inches thick, making them easy to work with. They are perfect for decoupage or creating a DIY clock. This pack includes 12 wooden circles, giving you plenty of materials for multiple projects. They are perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. What we like? This product has a smooth surface, perfect for wood burning and engraving. It's multi-purpose, ideal for various craft projects. If you are looking for a versatile product for your art projects, this is a great choice. What people say? The wood rounds are smooth and the holes are clean. These are perfect for ornaments. They are great for painting. Number 1. Super Z outlet wood rounds and key rings. These wood rounds come with mini key rings for easy linking. They're perfect for creating a family birthday board or making personalized gifts. It's a simple and creative way to add a personal touch. Each wood disc has 2 holes and comes with rings to connect them. You can use them for various crafts at home or as decorations for events like weddings and birthdays. They are versatile and easy to use. The unfinished wood rounds are smooth and ready for your creativity. You can easily write messages or label them. They are perfect for painting, staining, or using markers to create any design you like. Transform these wood crafts into gift decorations. Add twine or ribbon to create thank you tags, wine gift basket tags, or even bridal shower ideas. They are a thoughtful addition to any gift. The wood cutout circles measure 1.2 inches across, and the key rings are 0.5 inches. Each order includes 100 wood rounds and 100 silver rings. The smooth surface makes it easy to paint or write on them. What we like? This product includes mini key rings for easy linking. The clean cut wood makes it easy for writing. If you're looking for a product to create personalized gifts or tags, you should consider this. What people say? Small and perfect for a birthday calendar. I used vinyl to add family members' names to them. I love how they hook together. I needed supplemental circles for a birthday board and these were perfect. They were big enough to write dates on with ease. I did not paint them but would imagine it'd be a simple task with how smooth they were. These were received exactly as they were advertised. The wooden circles were all stamped out well, no splintered, cracked or misshapen pieces. The metal rings worked perfectly and were sturdy. I didn't have any break or bend inappropriately. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.